Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited about this upcoming video series because I will be doing some detailed planner comparison videos. Not only that, it's sort of like a planner matchup series where I will be comparing two planners at the same time, and I'm going to go through it with all of my planners so that we can see if any planner will emerge as the best planner of 2022. But first things first, if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. My name is Coach D, and I love all things planning. Here on my channel, I share pieces of my life with the hope of helping you to balance, grow, and succeed in yours. So like I said, this new series coming up, I'm so excited about it. We are going to do some in-depth reviews of the planners that I have in my collection. Hopefully, I'll be able to grow my collection over the next couple of weeks so that I can have a more robust and comprehensive review of the planners that are on the market for 2022. I have a list of categories that I jotted down, but first let's take a look at the planners I have so far. This is an oldie but goodie. This will be in my planner collection for 2022. You guys are familiar with this planner. This is my budget planner. It is an Erin Condren Life Planner. You're also familiar with this planner. This is the Simply Yours Day Planner from Planned and Proper. You're familiar with this one. I do have this planner on the way for 2022. I am a part of their creative team. I recently unboxed the Christian Daily Planner. I was surprised by this planner, but we are going to do an in-depth review on it. And I also have my Vista planner. I did an unboxing of this planner. I am a brand ambassador for this brand, but I promise this review series will not be biased. I love planners. I love all things planning. What I will do is flip through the planners. I'll put two up against each other, and we're going to go through a category review based on certain topics. And we will flip through the planners together. You guys will be able to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of each planner. And we're going to cycle through in the same fashion until I've shown you all of the planners, at least compared to another planner. So for example, I'll show you the Vista planner compared to the Christian Daily Life Planner. I'll show you the Vista planner compared to the Simply Yours Day Planner. So we will go in that fashion. Now, I may not be able to get to all of the planners against the other planners in my collection, but we're going to go as far as we can. But I want to keep it fun. I know some of you that are watching, you may be brand loyal to certain brands of planners, and that's okay. Hopefully you'll review the videos with an open mind and you'll learn something new about another planner brand, or I can give you an idea in terms of a planner you can use in the future. So let's dive into the category. So I jotted them down in my current Vista planner. It's on a sheet of paper. So for the 2022 planner matchup, we are going to examine the design and aesthetics. That's category one, design and aesthetics. So when we flip through the planners throughout the video series, I'm going to talk through some of the design elements of the planner. I'm also going to consider the aesthetics and how cohesively the planner flows from end to end. Category number two is functionality and usability. Now, all of the planners that I have in my collection are absolutely functional and usable, but we are going to take a moment to compare the functionality of each planner. So how is design and functionality different? In terms of functionality, we're going to look at things like the box size, right? Because I use my planners. I don't use a whole lot of planner stickers, but I write in my boxes. So are the boxes functional for that usage? Does it accommodate different sticker brands? Do you have to get customized stickers for the planner? So that's what we're going to talk about when we review functionality and usability. Design is, again, just how well it's designed, how well the materials hold up. You guys are familiar with a planner that I retired from my collection, which was the what was it? I have it here. I actually still have the box. the Goal Planner by Christy Wright. So I retired that planner just because it wasn't functional, it wasn't user-friendly, and the aesthetics and design just, in my opinion, it didn't hold up too well. So that's category 2, functionality and usability. Category number 3 is goal setting. How well does the planner help you with your goals? How well does the planner help you to manage your tasks? How well does the planner help you to manage competing priorities? Does it have any prompts that help you navigate your journey throughout life? So that's category number 3. What elements does the planner include that allow you to do those types of things? Category number 4 is inspiration and motivation. So how well does the planner inspire you to be better, to accomplish your goals, to stay on target, to stay on task? Is the planner motivating? Is it just paper for you to write on? Again, in my planner collection right now, I don't believe any of the planners will fall into the far side of that category, but we're going to talk about some of the elements within the planners that will allow you to stay inspired and motivated. So those are the categories that we will assess as we go throughout this series. Once again, the goal is to not bash a planner brand or make it seem like a planner brand is just not usable or functional, because it's not. One of the things that I always share with individuals, whether I'm coaching them or talking here on YouTube with you all, is planning and your planner style, your planner method, and your planner of choice is purely based on what's going to work for you. What may work for one person may not work for someone else. The planners that I prefer may not be the planners that you prefer. This is not an inclusive list of all of the planners that are on the market. These are just the planners that I have either invested in or planners that have been gifted to me or provided for me, or I've come across them in some type of way. So that's what this video series is all about. And my hope is that you will have the knowledge to select a planner brand that's going to work best for you. Planners are not cheap. Oftentimes when you go towards some planner brands such as the Aura Vista Planner, the Christian Daily Life Planner, the Simply Yours Day Planner, they are an investment. It is a tool to help you navigate life's journey. It is a tool to help you goal set. It is a tool to help you accomplish the things in which you set out to do over the course of a year. So planners are indeed an investment, and by viewing this video series, I hope you're able to narrow down the planner that's going to work best for you in 2022. It's not about what planner brand will emerge as the best per se. My goal is to help you understand the different elements of certain planners and planner brands so that you can make an informed purchase decision in 2022. If you've already purchased your planner for next year, that's fantastic. Tap into the videos. You know, you may see something about a planner that you have in your collection that you did not know before, and it may help you to use it better so that you can accomplish your goals once again. That's the idea behind this planner series. I kind of think, you know, certain planner brands may emerge to the top. I hope that the categories I've included so far will be comprehensive enough for me to remain unbiased, for you to remain unbiased. But if you think of another element that I should review when I launch this series, leave me a comment in the comment section. If there's something you want to know about a planner, leave me a comment in the comment section. If we want to talk about the brand overall, I might just add that as a category. The brand. What does the brand stand for? That's important to me. One of the things I really enjoy about the Christian Daily Planner is that they give back to the community. That was important for me. Some of the planner brands that I own are minority, women-owned planner brands, Black-owned planner brands. That's important to me. Some of the planner brands have a whole suite of products that you can work together to build out your planning toolkit. That's also important to me. Those things may be important to you as well. So throughout the series, I'll also touch a bit on the brand in the brand story or what the overall mission is for that particular business. So it will be a talking point, not necessarily a category that I will deep dive into to compare one planner to the next, because each planner brand has its own mission, its own goals, its own design, purpose based on the founder or the company's overall mission. So that's how that will work. I'm so excited about the 2022 planner matchup series. As long as I've been here on YouTube talking about planning, I've never done this type of video before. So I'm so excited to share some of the details about each and every planner brand with you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit subscribe. You don't want to miss the planner matchup. Make sure that your notification bell is set on. My goal is to share videos every Monday and Thursday and a bonus video over the weekend during this season of life. So that's Mondays, Thursdays, and a bonus video over the weekends. Go ahead and hit subscribe. I will speak to you in the next one. Bye everyone. Happy planning.